Here with a 2009 SP Authentic Baseball. Alright, 24 packs. Faces of the game.
Oh no.
Numbered, Ryan Braun, numbered out of 99. There's a base. Some weird one. Hideki Matsui. Irvin Santana.
I swear to God, those fillers get bigger. Man.
Yeah, they do. That was a thick one.
It might be all something else.
Yeah, I know. Okay. Alright, we got a Wilkin Ramirez rookie to 299. I gotta be watching for those. Let's see, we got a Tony Gwynn. And base.
Couple nice inserts.
Future flashback, Manny Ramirez.
Is that numbered? Check that.
Numbered to 99.
Holy shit.
Ichiro.
Okay.
Dice K.
Hey.
Ramirez. Fukudome. Wilkin Ramirez, just got him. It's a rookie. Is that numbered? No.
Gold.
24 packs, so I kind of gotta hurry. We'll be all day. Faces of the game, Dustin Pedroia. Base. This one feels thick.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nah, it doesn't look like
Who's their name say?
Faces of the game, Jose Reyes. That's a thick insert. Oh, Derek Jeter. Oh my God. By the letter auto. That is a nice card.
Is it numbered? Check the back.
That is a beautiful card. That is awesome. Really happy with this break. Already.
Oh my God.
Followed by Adrian Peterson. Wow. That was a great card.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow, that was probably the best packages I've ever seen out of this box. Wow, that was a nice card. Alright, looks like we got another one.
Got dust.
Atlanta Braves rookie signature, Jordan Schaefer with the O. That's a nice card too. It's got a nice little auto. It says rookie. Let's see, the Jeter says Derek Jeter across it. We got the politics card. Yeah, so some nice ones.
Okay, I just want to step back in. It's number 10 out of 20.
Yeah, the Derek Jeter was 10 out of 20, if you can see that there.
Throw that back
Yeah,
in there.
there you go. Alright, cool. And just to let you know, most of these cards will be for sale and trade. Yeah, so let's see what we're we got Matt Laporta, rookie, numbered to 125 on the Cleveland Indians. So it's cool, right? Okay, so none of these just should be bases. I don't think we got all our hits. Early hits. We're hoping for some numbered, maybe an extra hit in there. Really happy with my Jeter. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, most of these cards, including that Jeter's and other faces of the game, Ryan Braun. Yeah, most of these will be on eBay at Where's the there it is, alright. Can't say his name. Lots of these fillers.
Yeah. Who the fuck is he?
Mariano Rivera. Ooh, we got a Justin Upton number to 59.
Alright, take that one. That's a nice card. Got a nice card.
Boston Red Sox, Papelbon. Ichiro, Hunter Pence. Alright, we got Randy Johnson, numbered to 99. Randy, the Birdman. Let's see, what is this? Nobel Peace Prize winner. Lester. Hopefully just made my money back with that Jeter card, but... Alright, we got Jason Varitek to 299. Jimmy Rollins, Matt Holliday. Yeah, wow, that's a nice card. Okay, another Randy Johnson, not numbered. Rookie card, Chris Tillman. Yeah, I just want to give a shout out to Dave and Adam's Card World. Got a great deal in this box, fast shipping and everything. Yeah, it was really nice of them. It was a good deal. Anyways, back to this. Nothing on that one. Lots of bases. Curtis Granderson, nice looking base. Is he on the Tigers there? Yep, he's on the Tigers there. Faces of the Game, Brandon Webb.
Ready?
Matt Kemp, base. Looking for another hit. Maybe there'd be an extra hit in there. You never know. Ooh, Plutonium Power. We got Ryan Braun.
Jesus Christ.
Get that in the camera there. That is not numbered. Nope. And a little political thing. Making a mess over here. Alright. Derek Jeter Heroes card. Let's see if this is numbered. No, it doesn't look numbered, but this looks like a pretty nice card.
Hey, stick three.
Oh, God.
And here's a Cal Ripken Jr. one. It's a cool looking card right there. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with these boxes so far. Really happy. Are you looking for numbers? Oh, another Plutonium Power. Bronson Arroyo. Oh, he's good. Then A-Rod, Teixeira. Yeah, if you could subscribe, we'll have some more cards coming at you. We got Bud Norris, rookie. Santana. Yeah, subscribe, comment. I'm willing to trade, whatever. Sell. Most likely sell. Look on eBay at our account. I'll put it in the description. Yeah, just Yankee fans willing to trade, whatever. Josh Reddick, rookie card. He did good last night. Grady Sizemore, Alfonso Soriano. Alright, last pack of the case. Beltran, rookie card, Jolies Chachin. Can't say his name, sorry, from the Rockies. And Pujols ends it on a base card. Alright, so let's go over the hits. We got Jordan Schaefer for the Braves. On the leather patch, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool auto. Right on the O. This spells out rookie. This is not numbered. No, this is numbered. This is 40 out of 85. So that's a nice one. Then we got Matt Laporta for the Indians. Autograph rookie card. 39 out of 125. And the big hit of the box, which I'm psyched about.
Right there.
That's New York Yankees shortstop Derek Jeter, autographed on the K. Right there, see that autograph? It's beautiful. Outnumbered 10 out of 20. Yeah, that's a beautiful card. I was hoping for some Yankees on the patch auto. That's a really nice card. I'm really happy with it. So, yep. So, comment, subscribe. do all that. Thanks for watching.